Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to crop an image in Photoshop. Open your image, then crop for many ways. First of all, crop the tool. Step 1, select crop. Now see this prepositive crop tool, slice select tool. Okay, use crop tool. Click OK, and see this unconstrained original ratio, and see this square size and resolutions, rotate crop box. Okay, and another way to crop: rectangle marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool. Example, select crop. Okay, and elliptical, hold shift for fix size. Control D or remove this. Hold shift for fix size. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.